today's video I'm gonna show you how to create flower nail art using pen. First I apply a light violet color nail polish all over my nail. Now let it dry. Now I'm using a orange color nail polish and create 5 dots. And now take your old pen like so and just do what I shown here. For perfect flower petals, you should do this process twice. Now I am take a bluish color nail polish and I apply it in the center of the flower. Look how beautiful the flower is turned out. And now I'm gonna do the same thing with my other nail, and this time I'm gonna alternate the colors. Now for the next nail, I'm gonna create a polka dot nail art. For this one, I use the orange color as the base and make blue dots all over the nail. Now I am done with the third one. For the next one, I want it as simple, so I just apply the blue one as base, and that's it. And finally the last one. For this I wanted to create something different, so first I apply the violet one, then I go for the blue one, and next I go for the orange one. After dried my all nails, I using a transparent nail polish all over the nail art to secure my nail designs like so. And the final look, the easiest nail design ever.